Have you ever wondered why matcha green tea is so popular? Originating from Japan, matcha is a special form of green tea, unique for its vibrant color and powdered form. Unlike other green teas, matcha involves the whole leaf, ground into a fine powder, intensifying its health benefits. Traditionally prepared by whisking the powder with hot water, it creates a frothy, rich brew, offering an exquisite, earthy taste. Now that you know what matcha is, let's dive into its amazing health benefits. Unbeknownst to many, matcha is a powerhouse of nutrients. It's like a superhero in the world of teas, boasting a nutrient profile that's unparalleled by most. It's chock full of antioxidants, those little warriors that fight against cell damage. In fact, matcha has almost 17 times the antioxidants of wild blueberries and 7 times that of dark chocolate. Impressive, right? But that's not all. Matcha is also rich in catechins, a type of antioxidant known for its cancer-fighting properties. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your cells, and let's not forget about L-theanine, an amino acid that has been associated with improved mental focus and relaxation. It's like having a yoga class in a cup, helping to bring about a state of calm alertness. With such an impressive nutrient profile, it's no wonder matcha offers numerous health benefits. So, what exactly does this nutrient-rich beverage do for your health? Let's start with the brain. Matcha is a powerhouse of antioxidants, particularly a type known as catechins. These little wonders have been shown to boost brain function, improving both memory and concentration. In particular, a catechin called EGCG has been linked to increased neural activity and enhanced cognitive performance. So, if you're looking for a mental edge, a cup of matcha might just be your secret weapon. Now, let's talk about energy. Unlike the jolt and crash associated with coffee, the caffeine in matcha is released slowly, providing a sustained energy boost. This is thanks to an amino acid called L-theanine, which promotes relaxation without drowsiness and balances out the effects of caffeine. The result? Enhanced focus and increased energy levels that last, but that's not all. Matcha also works wonders for your metabolism. It has been found to boost the metabolic rate and increase fat burning, making it a great addition to any weight management regime. Plus, its high levels of chlorophyll can aid in detoxification. And let's not forget heart health. The antioxidants in matcha can help to reduce LDL cholesterol levels and protect against heart disease. So, from boosting your metabolism to improving your mental focus, matcha is a true all-rounder when it comes to promoting better health. Intrigued by matcha's health benefits? You might be wondering how to incorporate it into your daily routine. Well, it's simpler than you might think. This versatile superfood can be enjoyed in numerous ways, not just as tea. Start your day with a matcha-infused smoothie, blending the vibrant green powder with your choice of fruits and veggies for a nutrient-packed breakfast. If you're a fan of baking, why not try adding a spoonful of matcha to your favorite cookie or muffin recipe? It not only adds a unique flavor, but also a beautiful green hue to your baked goods. And let's not forget the classic matcha latte, a delicious and healthier alternative to your regular coffee. Just whisk a teaspoon of matcha with hot water. Add your preferred milk and sweetener, and voila! You've got yourself a creamy, energy-boosting beverage. Remember, incorporating matcha into your daily routine can be as simple as replacing your morning coffee with a cup of matcha tea. So there you have it, the many health benefits of matcha green tea unveiled. We've journeyed through the nutrient-rich profile of matcha, highlighting its antioxidants, catechins, and L-theanine, and discussed how these components can boost mental focus, energy levels, metabolism, heart health, and weight management. Versatile and easy to incorporate into your daily routine, matcha is not just a drink, it's a lifestyle. Why not try incorporating matcha into your daily routine and experience its health benefits firsthand? Start your journey to better health with matcha green tea today.